Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 11. This module we're going to be talking about ER and IR verbs. So in the last modules we were doing the verbs that end with AR. Now we're doing the verbs that end with ER and IR. It's basically the same idea, just different endings. And we'll also be talking about information questions. So like the who, what, where, those types of questions. So make sure you go through the readings, the videos. And again, we have information about the final project. Just like I said last module, I don't want you to actually work on this yet. Just keep it in mind so that when we get closer towards the end, it's not a surprise. We still have one more big topic before you can actually work on that. It's a regular week, so assignments, we have the homework packet. Again, the numbers don't match with the module because we skipped 2 weeks of homework packets when we did the field-specific projects, so make sure you get the homework packet. We have our speaking assignment. Speaking assignment is 2 parts. Make sure you answer the questions and ask the questions. So the top part you're answering about yourself, and then the second part you're asking questions to patient. So make sure you do both parts. And then the quiz like always. We're getting close to the end. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.